Today I'm going to make 干炒牛河, that is stir-fried beef noodles Hong Kong style, and it's going to be our lunch. And in these videos I would like to show you how I'm going to make it. The ingredients you need are essentially beef and the rice noodles. That is the primary ingredients, and besides that we need some bean sprouts, some Chinese chives. I managed to get some chive flowers, which is nice, some spring onion and the normal onions. And also we need some seasoning, that is a light soy sauce, some sesame oil, oyster sauce, salt and pepper, some cornstarch, and basically that's it. It is quite a straightforward formula. Cut the beef into thin slices across the grain. Then I'll marinate the beef with some soy sauce and some other ingredients. Now if the beef that you have is tough, you can use baking soda to tenderize it, but not for today because this beef is okay. I have a separate videos about how to use baking soda to tenderize the meat, which I will leave it in the description below the video. Marinate the beef with soy sauce. This is sesame oil and salt and ground white pepper. And combine together, mix well. Next, add just a little bit of egg white to coat it. And also at the same time, some cornstarch. So this is a standard marination commonly used for Chinese cooking. Finally, add some oil. So the oil is useful. It helps the beef to become not to stick together because of the cornstarch, and also it helps. I'm gonna use my clean hands to do it, and it also helps to carry the flavor from the seasoning because all these seasonings are basically oil soluble, penetrate into the meat, and also helps not to dry up if you do not use it immediately. Okay, so now just leave it aside for about 15 to 20 minutes to let it marinate. And at the same time, while we marinate the meat, we're gonna deal with the rice noodles. This is a flat rice noodle I'm going to use for this recipe. There are essentially two different types. This one is the flat rice noodles for frying, which is flat and is slightly wider. And the other type is much thinner. That one is more for soup noodles. And after you purchase it, please do not keep it in the refrigerator. Store at room temperature, because if you put it in the refrigerator and it will harden, and when you start to fry it, it can break easily. To fry these noodles, we have to separate each strand of it, because if it is all stacked up like that, it is very difficult to stir fry it. So take a little bit of time to separate each one so that it will be able to stir fry effectively. Anyway, we're still waiting for the beef. Still marinate. It takes another 10 minutes from now. Just do it slowly. So now I've already loosened every strand, separate every strand of the flat rice noodles Hor Fun. It's ready for stir frying.
Okay, time to cook, and we deal with the beef first. Heat up the pan and put the beef on it to pan fry both sides. I do it over medium heat and flip it over to the other side. Remove it when it is about 80% cooked because I'm going to cook the beef together with the noodles later. I decided to change it to a cast iron wok because it can generate more wok aroma. Add the noodles to the wok and spread it thinly. Keep it at medium heat, and if you have a good quality, well-seasoned cast iron wok, it will not stick. Then flip it over and slowly loosen the noodles. At this time, you can add some bean sprouts. Plus a little bit of dark soy sauce for the color. And I'm going to remove the noodles from the wok to continue cooking the vegetables. Next, the chives and the spring onion. And I'm going to combine both later again together with the beef. Heat some more oil into the wok, and if you like, you can add some ginger, which is quite nice for the beef. Saute the ginger and together with the green onions. Then the chives. And also some onion. Now it's time to combine everything. Add the noodles back and combine with all the green onions and the chives, the beef back to it. Do a test to decide if you need to add some more seasoning. More soy sauce is required. Some dark soy sauce too for the color. And turn up the heat now. Make sure all the seasoning that I have added just now is properly distributed and evenly. And finally add the flour, chive flour. Continue with high heat. You may need to add some bean sprout if you like. And also you would like to add some wine if you like, that is optional. And I think it is done now. You can take it out and put it onto the plate to serve. Beautiful. And lots of wok aroma too.
That's how to prepare my lunch, 干炒牛河, the stir-fried beef with flat rice noodles Cantonese style. And if you want to get the recipe, I've included in the description below the video, and also will be included at the end of this video for your reference. The most important things about this is to have a lot of wok aroma and tender beef and the perfect seasoning. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.